Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section from the middle and then pull sections of the hair through both of these sections after creating two of them. Do this on either side and then bring them up alternatively until you reach the bottom. It should make this checks-like shape. Then loosen out the sides using your fingers on either side. Make sure that you do it very delicately so that it doesn't completely pull it out. Adjust it on both the sides. Once you have done this, you may add a little rubber band at the bottom and then add a bow for decorative purposes. Next, start off by taking a section from the middle of the hair, add a rubber band to it, and then add this bun rubber band as well. Add multiple pins all around. Then, taking the sections of the hair, make a braid out of it and twist it as you go about. Then, once you reach the middle of it, then begin to pin it up at the bottom of the rubber band as such. Add multiple rubber bands and then pin it up. Then, again, once you reach the bottom, begin to twist the hair around in multiple layers. It should begin to look like a little hat. Do this until all of the sections of the hair have been used. Slightly loosen out the last layer of it and then tie a little bow at the top base of it. Then once again slightly adjust it. Tie a high ponytail and then take a small section of it and then comb it backwards. Then after this, make a puffed up bun out of it and then tie it up at the bottom. Then after this, taking the front section, make multiple sections out of it. Taking a comb and then using your fingers, separate each of these sections, pull it out in different lengths and then make a loop out of each of them. After you make a loop, tie it up at the base as such and then begin to arrange it in a semicircular form all around the hair as such. Add multiple layers to it, also bring it to the front of the hair. Once you are done with this, braid the center of the hair and then tie it up in the middle, begin to roll it up and then add it as the center. This is what it should look like. Next, take a section of the top of the hair, begin to braid it normally, and then after this, begin to include more and more sections of the hair into this. After you have done this, as you progress, continue to include the sections even if the other sections have not been consumed. Then, once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. You should have included all the sections of the hair into it. Slightly loosen the sides using your fingers and then at the bottom, add a bow to it. Next, start off by taking the front section of the hair on one of the sides and then make a braid out of it. Keep one of the sides loose, that is the right side, out for both of them. Add a clip to each of the loosened sections and then make a braid right in the center. Make it a tight braid and then roll it up. After this, roll up the other two braids around it as well. Now, going through the back, make alternative sections and then make these checks-like shapes out of it. Lift it up at the back and adjust it. Tie a high ponytail and then divide two sections out of it. For one of the sections, make this puffed up bun. Then for the other section, make it into multiple sections. This is the front portion of it. And then slowly using your comb, begin to brush through it. Using your fingers, make multiple divisions out of it. Pull it out and make it into loops. Tie a rubber band to the base of these loops. Then adjust it in this particular ovular shape. Add multiple layers to it. Now, after you are done with the base of it, begin to make these loops at the top as well. Make them smaller and smaller as you proceed more towards the center. Make sure that there are no loose strands of hair left. Thank you for watching.